I just redid these set of steps. I put limestone caps on them. I'm going to show you how I did it. Here's what they look like before I started. Well, today we're going to fix these steps. And these are steps. They're made out of brick, which I don't like doing it this way because I live in northeastern Pennsylvania. So I'm going to do away with these kind of brick like this and put in limestone caps. I'm going to show you how I did it. Taking these brick off. They're solid brick. That's good. Here's the plan. I'm taking these brick out. I'm going to reuse the face. I'm going to put it down here. The stone's going to go on top. So I'm going to have to put a roll lock all the way across. I laid all my brick out dry, so I know everything's going to fit. Just filling in the back with anything that works. Any kind of old pieces of junk don't matter. Now here's what I'm doing. This is a piece of the stone I cut off. I got a mark right there. I lay it down. That's where I want to go and have my hangover, like an inch hangover. Same over here. I'm using it for that. Using it for this. You see how it all works out? Rulers don't work all the time. You gotta kind of learn to do it this way. Second step. Throw it in. Oh, go ahead, drop it in. Okay, push it to me. Ready? Sponge in the water. All the cement off of it. that's it. We're all finished. After the winter, I check the steps and they're good. That's what I want to see. They're good. I'm going to talk about that job a little bit. A lot of brick steps, you see masons put the bricks in like this. But where I live in northeastern Pennsylvania, I'm not a fan of that, because what happens is in the winter time, the water gets in there and it freezes and it busts the brick apart. And that's just what happened with those steps. Now if you live in Florida or you live in Texas or California, it's a different story. But where I live, it's not a good practice. Now New Jersey, it's a 10-degree difference, so it's even different down there. I like to put a capstone on top. So the water acts like a shingle and the water goes off. So that's the way I like to do steps. And I reuse the brick because they don't make brick anymore that it's easy to match. Every time you go down, it's a different style or a different color. So I always try to use what I got. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haddock. Until next video.